Hello, and welcome to this Teen Adult DIY with Miss Jo. Today I have a fun spring craft for you. I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful paper tulips to add a little bit of color and brightness to your home. I have, if you can see, these are really fun and they're really easy to make. So I'm going to show you how. Now you're going to have, on our website, we'll have our pattern that looks just like this. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my paper here, and then you're just going to cut it along those scored lines there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Make sure one more here. Yep. So now I've got my tulip here, and so your paper is going to look like that when you get it all cut. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fold it like that and kind of glue it in place. Now this is kind of a tricky part, so you want to make sure you get enough glue on here, but you also want to make sure that you kind of hold it until it kind of sets up a little bit. But then you're going to go ahead and we're going to put our glue on this part now, like that. And then I'm going to fold my next one. And again, I just want to make sure that he's going to set before I start on the next. So I'm going to give that a pinch. And then I'm going to start, and I'm going to fold my next one in. So then I'm going to bring him up just like that. And so I'm going to hold those. And if you want to, you could even have, if you have some little crafting clothespins, you could even use those to just to give it a little extra dry time. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my last little flower bit here, and I will fold him in. So now we've got our tulip base here. Now that that's all set, we'll set that aside. And then you have a leaf pattern, and I've gone ahead and and then just take and kind of, and it doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but I'm just going to give a little fold there and fold the top of my leaf, just so it's kind of scored like that. And then I have a strip that I'm going to form the stem out of, and you just roll that. If you want to, you can use a pencil, or if you have a little dowel, a little small dowel, you can roll them around that. So then I'm going to go ahead and put my glue here on one side. And I'll go ahead and just roll my stem. So, and this is the fun thing about paper, is that it is pretty, once you get it folded, it's pretty malleable. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a press, and so now I'm just going to round my stem out here a little bit because that was kind of flat. So now I've got that, and the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and kind of some glue on the base of my leaf. I'm going to stick my stem and leaf together here. I'm kind of bent my leaf away from my thing. And then the last thing we're going to do, and I'm going to just, because nobody's really going to see this, I want to just secure that just a little bit with a little bit of tape here at the base. Okay. So now we've got our leaf and our stem. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to attach our tulip. So we're going to take the top of your stem here, and I'm going to score it with the scissors, and we're going to kind of bend it back like this. So that's going to help make the base that's going to hold our tulip. So then again, I'm going to take, and if you don't think glue stick will hold well enough, you can also use a little amount of tacky glue, or you might even try some glue dots and see how they do. So I'm going to just take this and this and really make sure that it's on my base. There we go. And I just kind of pinch it a little down here too. But in the end, there you go. And you have your own new spring tulip. And I'm just going to add him to my collection over here. And I think arrange these in a pretty pot, or whoop, need to let my glue dry just a bit more, but you all, there we go, you all see how they look, and you can arrange them in a pretty basket or maybe a vase, and it'd make a really pretty centerpiece for your springtime table, or a lovely gift to give to someone. Thanks for joining me today on this Teen Adult DIY with Miss Jo, and hope you have a beautiful spring day, and we'll see you next time. Take care.